Here I have ALCATEL U3, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So firstly, you have to open Settings. Then you have to go to the Accessibility section. Then go to TalkBack, enable it here. After that, the TalkBack tutorial starts. It starts to talk non-stop. But for some reason,
TalkBack tutorial. Expand button.
Okay.
TalkBack is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness and low vision. It allows interaction.
Okay,
with
so
the device
like
using
when it's
spoken
enabled,
feedback.
it talks with non-stop. If you want to disable it, tap here, then double tap it.
Alert stop TalkBack. On. OK button.
And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.